Hi. In this video of Talend series, we're going to talk about how you can add new semantic types. New semantic types are basically a type of dictionaries or validation techniques, validation methods, which whenever you add and update a data, it tries to identify that which kind of a field, which kind of semantic type it is. So in order to access that, you can go to data inventory and then click on semantic type, and you will see a lot of them which are pre-built within Talend. But you can add few more at your if you want to. And by there are two type of semantic types, so I'm gonna add that for now, and I'm gonna add list one. So I'm gonna say US cities, and I can add a description or whatever. And if you see, there are two types. Essentially, there's a compound type is, if you want to add multiple dictionaries together, you can do the compound type. So the regular expression and the dictionary. So the dictionary is just simply the list of values, and I can, keep it simple, ignore accent and case, so it will try to match if like, there is a or some vowels issue or things like that. And in order to add it, uh, we need to add a CSV file. We can type values manually, or I can add a CSV by clicking here, and I can say, okay, add a CSV. So it has listed all, updated all those values. Okay. And I have to use that for data validation. I can see that. Once I'm happy with that, I can click here on save and publish. So now all my data will be now compared against this one. And it will try to identify that, what type of data it is, and it will try to cover that. The other type of the expression is the regular expression. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to I'm not going to create that because I think whatever type I think of, it's already there. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say, okay, I need email address. So if I go to email, so it has already identified, what kind of regular expression it would be. So if you want to add anything and you don't know, then you can go to chat GPT. Uh, that is one of my friends. You can just ask it, this, what is the kind of regular expression, or you can Google it. You will get the ideas that, what kind of regular expression is used. As an example, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna say here, type in the search here, regular expression for email validation. So I type in here, and I'm kind of, I get few codes. So I can just use this particular code to get that in here in my data validation. So I'm not going to create because most of them are already created, pre-built. The most for use type, as an example, a phone number is there, postal codes are there, airports are there. Sorry, airports are the type of dictionary. Sorry, but let's say social security number types. So most of the used one are there. But maybe, in your case, if you're from a different country, you might want to add a different one, and you can add a regular expression for that, and that's very easy to do that. And then there are some other options that we can duplicate this one, or we can export that semantic type for another area as well. Okay. So that's it for semantic types. If you are interested in the use, what exactly we're using it for, go see the preparation video. In that, I've actually highlighted what we can do with it.